Following the arrest of young Thug's lawyer in the courtroom, a bond has been granted. Greetings, everyone. Today, we will be delving into the matter concerning the release on bond of Brian Steele, the attorney representing young Thug, who was previously arrested for contempt of court during the YSL RICO trial. Steele's confrontation with Judge Glanville regarding a private conversation resulted in his arrest. Although he was initially sentenced to spend weekends in jail, he has now been granted bond while awaiting the outcome of his appeal. Furthermore, the case took an unexpected twist when a crucial witness named Kenneth Copeland, despite having an immunity agreement, chose not to testify and even dismissed his own attorney right in the courtroom. Now, without any further delay, let us proceed with our discussion. Brian Steele, the lawyer representing young Thug, skillfully evaded imprisonment despite being apprehended for contempt of court during the YSL RICO trial. In a surprising turn of events, the ongoing and contentious case experienced a new development earlier this week as Steele found himself apprehended within the courtroom. His arrest came about after he confronted Judge Glanville regarding an alleged private discussion that took place between Glanville prosecutors and a key witness for the state prior to a court proceeding. Initially, Steele was handed a sentence of 10 weekends behind bars. However, he has now been granted bail while he appeals the contempt charge, effectively exempting him from having to report to jail on Friday, June 14th. Expressing delight over the favorable outcome, Steele's legal representative issued a statement commemorating the triumph, expressing gratitude towards the swift and considerate handling of the regrettable circumstances by the appellate courts. This weekend, Steele will have the joyous opportunity to reunite with his family for Father's Day. The dispute between Brian Steele and Judge Glanville arose when the attorney discovered a clandestine encounter involving the judge, the prosecution, and a witness. In a captivating courtroom livestream, Steele's refusal to disclose the source of his information about the meeting led to his arrest by the lawyer, resulting in a highly dramatic sequence of events. Glanville insisted that the contempt could be eradicated simply by revealing the identity of the individual responsible for sharing the information. Steele, however, maintained his commitment to confidentiality and declined to disclose any names. Expressing his desire to utilize his time in jail effectively, Steele expressed his intention to collaborate with his client, young Thug, in order to further develop their defense strategy against the RICO charges. Another noteworthy incident occurred this week when Kenneth Copeland, the key witness in Steele's dispute with Glanville, chose not to testify despite having previously obtained immunity. Moreover, he took the drastic step of dismissing his attorney while still on the witness stand. After pulling the trigger, she was promptly dismissed. When asked about his desired course of action, Copeland responded, "I have no desire to retain her services." The attorney expressed her intention to resign as well. Even when asked basic questions like his age, Copeland invoked his right to the Fifth Amendment while on the stand. Despite being offered immunity in exchange for testifying against Thug, the judge found him in willful contempt of court when he chose not to comply. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.